Hello everyone, and welcome to this session for teachers and special educators. In today's video, we will discuss how to identify the early signs of dysgraphia in children. Early identification is very important because writing skills play a major role in a child's academic development. When teachers recognize the signs early, they can provide timely support and help students succeed in the classroom. Dysgraphia is a specific learning difficulty that affects writing skills. It can impact a child's ability to write clearly, organize ideas on paper, and maintain proper handwriting. Children with dysgraphia may know the answers or understand the lesson, but they may struggle to express their thoughts in written form. This difficulty can affect their confidence and classroom participation if it is not identified early. Early identification allows teachers and parents to provide appropriate support and intervention. When writing difficulties are recognized early, children can receive guidance, practice, and accommodations. Teachers play an important role because they often observe students' writing behaviors and classroom performance daily. There are several early signs that teachers may notice in the classroom. Some common indicators include poor or unclear handwriting compared to peers, and difficulty forming letters correctly, inconsistent spacing between letters or words, and writing that is very slow and requires great effort, frequent spelling errors even in familiar words, and difficulty copying from the board or books, trouble organizing thoughts while writing sentences or paragraphs. Some may avoid writing tasks entirely. Teachers may also observe certain behaviors that indicate writing difficulties, such as holding the pencil in an unusual or uncomfortable way and complaining of hand fatigue while writing, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, and difficulty staying within lines while writing, struggling to complete written assignments on time. Observing these patterns consistently is crucial. To conclude, dysgraphia affects a child's ability to write clearly and organize ideas on paper. By recognizing the early signs, teachers can help ensure that children receive the support they need as early as possible. Early identification and supportive teaching strategies can make a significant difference in a child's academic success. Thank you for watching this session on identifying the early signs of dysgraphia.